Hi, this is Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. Today we're going to look at a 2013 27 FasDeck made by Regal. This boat is powered with a 300 horsepower Volvo engine. It's got 192 hours on it. Speedometer, you've got a stereo, all kinds of neat and valuable information that you'll learn to appreciate. Trash can built in here. You've got a sink. Very nice layout. Let me move this seat here. I'll show you what it does. So you can sit forward or back, whatever your little heart desires. Nice swim deck back here in the back. This tower is power. Here's the power tower. Push a button, drops the tower, raises it back up. Amazing. Table mount up here in the front, ladder in the front, anchor storage. If you're interested in seeing this boat, give us a call. Again, Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. Have a nice day.